This is the Opera Browser CLI for Neon. It's a command line wrapper around opera-devtools that runs locally, exposes a broader toolset, and gives you direct access to Neon's agents, straight from your terminal or coding agent. Opera Browser CLI works seamlessly inside Claude Code, but you can also use it with Cursor, Codex, and more, or directly from your terminal. Let's start by running the following prompt to install it through Claude Code. The setup needs a terminal, so I open a new one and run Opera Browser CLI setup. Follow the steps, then head back to Claude Code. Inside, I ask to check if the setup is completed. Looks good, so let's verify and run Opera Browser CLI open opera-neon.com. And the Opera Neon landing page opens, straight from Claude Code. With the setup done, let's put it to work on a real issue. There's a login bug in Supabase on our web app, and we want Claude Code to track it down through the Opera Browser CLI connection. First, I ask Claude Code to open our web app, identify the error in our Supabase login authentication, and help me fix it. Claude Code opens the web app through the Opera Browser CLI and signs in with my email address. To pinpoint the error, it jumps into Supabase, where I'm already logged in, and automatically checks the user data in my account. From there, Claude Code walks through every step inside Supabase needed to identify and fix the bug, while I can just sit back and watch. And in the end, the result speaks for itself. Claude Code found every error, ran a deep check, and is ready to ship the fix. With the bug out of the way, let's look at an even better example. A full QA run on the same web app. Let's ask Claude Code to do a manual QA using Opera Browser CLI, simulating a user filling in the website. If it finds any critical bugs, it fixes them and then runs a similar QA simulation again. Next, I go through the follow-up steps and Neon opens up with the web app. From here, Claude Code goes through every single question, analyzes each of them, fills in answers, and tests the web app for possible bugs and errors, running a full QA on our web app. And since I'm already logged in, it can even autofill things like my email address. Then comes the result. Claude Code went through all 7 questions on the page and tested every input. It gives a clear verdict on whether the app is ready to ship, and on top of that, it already fixed every bug it found along the way. That's the Opera Browser CLI, from setup to debugging to a full QA run. All the prompts used here are available in our Discord, and there's plenty more to come. Stay tuned for more use cases with the Opera Browser CLI.